Hey you guys, Tootsie the Elf here. I am doing an awesome collab with Plot Designs where I'm going to show you a little sneak peek into Santa's workshop. Shh, here's a little secret. Not all of Santa's elves use hammer and nails. Behind the scenes, some of us get to use the hard artillery. And lucky for you, I'm one of those elves. So with that, let's get started with our 12 days of Christmas wood. Alright, so the first thing you need to do to make this project is you need to go down in the description and you need to print off the template to our Christmas tree. Once you have the template, you can find yourself a scrap piece of wood that is about approximately the same size as a piece of paper. Now that we have our template and our scrap piece of wood, we are going to take our scissors and we are going to cut the tree out in this little tiny piece up here in the corner. And you'll see what that's for later. If this is what you got after you cut it out, you did good, you guys. Now we're going to take this, we're going to slap it on our scrap piece of wood, and we're going to trace around it. Don't throw away your template yet. We're going to need it later. I'll show you what for. Santa's shop has all the goodies, but in case you guys don't at home, don't fret, because there's another simple way that you can cut your tree out, and that is with a jigsaw. We're going to go ahead and we're going to sand all around all of the edges because honestly, naughty or nice, we don't want any splinters getting into those cute little fingers handling these trees. Adorable. So at this point, I would hand off your trees to your little mini elves to have them finish how they would like, but for the sake of the video, let me show you how I do it. I'm gonna let you guys in on a little Santa secret trick, and that is creating snow. Snow is my favorite. How can you not love snow, especially when you live up here in the North Pole? And all we need is a little bit of water, an old toothbrush, and some white paint. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour out a little bit of white paint. You don't need a lot at all. And then after that, you're gonna dip your brush in the water, get it all wet, dip it into the paint, and then do a little practice splatters on the paper or around it. And then when you're ready, you're gonna brush your finger right through the bristles onto the tree. I made snow! Do you remember when I said not to throw away your template? Well, now's the time to pull it back out. Let me show you what we're gonna do next. We're almost done with our tree. We're gonna place this on top of our tree, and it's got lots of little circles in it, and we're gonna put a nail in the middle of all those circles to act as a guide. Alright, let's finish this off. I don't know about you guys, but us elves love love candy. And if you love candy, you're gonna love this next part. Let's finish this tree up. You guys should totally like, comment, and subscribe on Plot Designs channel. She does great woodworking and awesome designs. You'll want to check her out. As for now, this wraps up our video. Get it? For our first day of Christmas. A delicious countdown tree that anyone can enjoy.